one more time. Are you ready? Then let's begin. I'm so sorry. I haven't introduced myself. I am the gatekeeper, guardian of every memory ever created here at the Alton Towers Resort. For decades, your memories have been stored and protected within our enchanted stately home. But tonight, for the first time in history, those memories shall be unleashed as part of a spectacular celebration. The ground may shake, and the skies ignite. So brace yourselves. Beautiful, yet sometimes erratic. Therefore, please stand back and prepare for the experience of a lifetime. It all had to begin somewhere. Over 150 years ago, we laid the foundations by building this monumental Gothic estate. A location steeped in history, creating memories much older than you. To the 1980s, and we developed a revolution in memory creation. The introduction of a roller coaster, a steel giant, one of the greats. We're going retro on this by looking back at the corkscrew. 5 roller coasters stand as the titans of memory creation. The first, exploring the psychological thrill, and not just the physical. An evil and mysterious spirit now fills the dark forest. Don't go alone when you face 13. With the world's most intense ride experience, they don't call this the king of roller coasters for nothing. Nemesis. Can you beat the exhilaration of escaping the dark forest faster than a speeding bullet? Accelerating from 0 to 100 in 2.5 seconds. Nothing can stop the speed of Rita. Of anxiety as riders fail to return from the blackness. You don't know what's down there, and you may not be coming back. This is Oblivion. more euphoric than being given the ability to take off and soar through the sky. Ladies and gentlemen, please, prepare for air. Assume a position. Now fly. We celebrate the incredible attractions and thrill machines that make the Alton Towers Resort what it is today. It wouldn't be the same without you. Sometimes, the most beautiful memories are created by the people you share those experiences with. The small, simple things. The people you love. Your friends. Your family. Look around you. These are the people who create the real magic. recall these precious memories, I must introduce the latest creation in memory extraction, designed specifically to make you smile. It is with great pleasure that I introduce to you the Smiler.
Smile, though your heart is aching. Smile, even though it's breaking. When there are clouds in the sky,
The Smiler will now take control. But lifetime of memories. Gone. Erased. As a guardian, I have failed you. I am sorry. But wait. I see something. A memory. You. And you. All of you. I thought the memories had been destroyed. But of course, these are your memories. They're also protected within you. Which means, if all of you think of your happiest memory, your fondest, most cherished memory, you can once again enchant our magnificent resort and keep memories alive for an eternity. Now everyone think. Think hard of your happiest memory. That's it. You're doing it. Keep those memories coming. Yes, just a few more. You've done it. I see the magic is still alive. This is your spectacular finale, created by you. Now enjoy. Whilst we prepare to reopen X-Sector, Cloud Cuckoo Land and the Dark Forest. The routes to these areas will be opening in about half an hour. Mutiny Bay, Katanga Canyon, Gloomy Wood and Forbidden Valley are currently open, so don't go home quite so soon. Stick around and create some new memories in the dark. Thank you.
Morning to the